Alright guys, it's your boy Extreme Catfishing. Coming to the end of the service road here. And it looks like, just like I said in the map, to the right goes back into the woods. That's the end of the service right there. And it kinda picks up here. Welcome foot travel. I like that. Welcome foot travel. So this takes you to the falls. Palmetto Trail sign there. And we're going that way. It's kind of cool. Kind of makes it so an ATV can't come this way, but now we're into a rocky ground, not the sand, soft sand. We got two big, huge rocks here that are in their trail, and those are real rocks. Those aren't like, you know, play rocks for the scenery. These are real rocks, and they've been marked so you know where the hell you're going. I love that. Thank you, Oconee. You rock. Alright guys, it's your boy Extreme Catfishing, man. See y'all in a bit. Alright guys, your boy Extreme Catfishing here. About 2 miles into the Oconee Trail here, and this 2 mile spot right here basically is a little canopy on the trail, covered with trees, and I'm got it shaded out. And I'm basically going to sit here and take a break and pick up on the trail in a little bit. So the map says I'm 2.5 miles. So the map says I'm 2.5 miles. Well, it says I'm 2 miles. Well, not the map. My GPS says I'm 2 miles. So let me look at the map and see what it actually kind of gives me an approximation of where I'm at. Soft ground out here. Doesn't make for great chair seating. So if I look at the map, that means I'm about right there, and the falls are down here around the 2.5, 3 mark there. Okay, so I'm good. Yep. So let me go ahead and take this break, guys, and drink some water, rehydrate, and I'll be getting back with y'all in a little bit, man. This is your boy Extreme Catfishing, dude, and I'm out. Alright guys, I'm at 1661 elevation, about a little after 2 miles on the trail, and I want to show you this. We're going downhill. Okay. Oh, check it out. Mushrooms or fungus. Lots of these funguses all over the place I've been seeing. So you see, little lump, little tree overhang right there, and then we go downhill. Lots of ups and downs, man. You gotta be prepared for that. Because we just came from there, that's going uphill. It's gonna be a battle going back, I can tell you that much. Alright, it's your boy Extreme Catfishing, man. I'm out. Alright guys, going through a section here. Looks like a little mountainous. There's a cliff going that way, and there's a hill coming from that way. So we go from the wooded to kind of mountainous type terrain here. Still on the yellow marker trail. As I'm approaching 2.5 miles here on the trail. Like a piece of slate right there. Lots of spider webs out here. Across the trail. And So, I mean, that's just going downhill. Probably good deer hiding territory. Really nice down there. Good and shady. As you can see, every 10 to 20 feet you got a marker. And most of the trail. So here's another crossing area where apparently water comes down and it flows on through that little canal through there. That's kind of awesome. Alright guys, trail's pretty cool, man. I'll be back with y'all fellas in a little bit, man. Boy, extreme catfishing, and I'm out. Alright guys, so looks like we're close to the falls. I can hear it in the background. But as you can see, it says please stay on the trails most difficult. So this must be the windy portion of the trail that they were saying is a little difficult. One second here. And like I said, I can hear the falls in the background. Can hear water flowing. I'm imagining that maybe this is most difficult stinking thing here. This is most difficult if you're on a bike. I would imagine this would be difficult. Just to give you a turk here, I'm at 1409 elevation and dropping. I came from the high point. I'm going to end up at the low point. And it's going to be an interesting, oh, pretty flowers. It's going to be an interesting hike back, I have to say. I guess I better rest up at the falls and be prepared to hunker back. Still on the yellow trail. Spot here. We should be coming up on the falls here, or the path that leads to the fall. Because my understanding was there's a path to the right of me that is going to lead me to the falls. You can still hear him vaguely in the background. You can hear it stronger backwards, further back on the trail. I must have came right alongside and this must just loop back. And I can see how they can say this is difficult. Extremely hilly. Lots of inclines. It is going to be fun climbing that back. Going through a little area right here. More of these little pretty flowers. Everywhere. They got little bugs in them. Starting to hear more of the water now. Apparently we go that way. That way goes nowhere. Slate down here. I've seen a lot of slate out here. must have a little mini bulldozer out here. To push this trail. Whew. This is rather steep. As you can see, just kind of winds down and goes that way. So I'm on the right trail. See you guys in a bit, man. When we get close to the falls. Boy Extreme Catfishing. I'm out. Alright guys, there's this little spot here that looks like falls. Well, not the falls, but it looks like a little trickling water. So I'm going to try to be careful here. Get a closer look of it here. So it looks like water trickling from up there. And it just kind of puddles right there and moves on down. So I'm assuming this area gets plenty of water with those 3 funnel tubes down there to brush it that way. But I don't know, guys, that was pretty cool. For a second there I thought it was the falls. That might have been what I was hearing. I hope not. That wouldn't be good. But alright guys, see y'all in a bit, man. It's your boy Extreme Catfishing, and I'm out. Hi guys, your boy Extreme Catfishing here. Came across bridge number 2 here. Got a couple of folks this way. But this is where the falls actually is, so the map is wrong. The distances as usual are not correct. But the falls actually go that way, but I'm going to go to the end of the trail and then turn around and come back to the falls. Alright guys? Alright. How's it going? How far to the ranger station? It's that this way, right?
Yeah, it's not that far.
Okay, thank you, sir. Hello, how you doing?
How's it going?
All right. Not far to the ranger station, apparently. Somebody's gonna be carrying that little girl back up them hills. Damn sure ain't gonna be me. Alright, man. So your boy's headed this way towards the ranger station. And check that out, and then we're gonna come back to the falls and then head back to the car. Should make a full day, guys. It's your boy Extreme Catfishing, man. See y'all in a bit. What's up, y'all? It's your boy Extreme Catfishing. I'm at the end of the Oconee Passage here. GPS says it was 3.93 total. I didn't actually do it from the car. I did it maybe a quarter of a mile up the road, up the trail. So it's actually around 4.2, something of that nature. So as usual, the maps were wrong, the websites were wrong. It is not 3.2 miles. So please don't think you're going to come out here and hike one end to the other and only going to be doing 6 miles. No, you're going to be doing more like 8 miles, maybe even more than that is what I'm going to be doing today if I'm going by the falls. I'm going to rest here a little bit, and then I'm going to head back to the falls, chill out there for a little bit, and then hike back up through the mountains to the car. Alright? This is your boy Extreme Catfishing, man. And you know your boy is out. It's your boy Extreme Catfishing here. And I'm on the trail to the waterfall. And as you can see, there's the water. The The waterfall has got to be this way. Kinda nice place to step out over there. This is this way. Moth. Alright. Now get closer. I thought that was it. More water here. Good slippery rocks over there. Alright guys, I thought I was closer to the waterfall. Steps. More water right there. Oh, cool! It actually goes across the water. So that's where the trail came from, and it picks up right over there. Coolish. Alright man, I'm gonna get some of this water in my face and I'm gonna hit back on the trail. This is boy Extreme Catfishing Boy, and I'm out. Alright guys, I reached the end of the falls here. Here is the infamous falls. Nice place to cool down, I'll tell you that much. This is what I work to get to. And let me tell you, it is every bit of awesome I thought it was going to be. Falls of Oconee Passage. Worth it, worth it, worth it. Worth the 5-mile hike. I'm gonna watch my step. See if I can get closer. That's beautiful. Jerry, you don't know what you're missing, man. I want to relax a little bit, enjoy this, and probably get back on the trail in about 30 minutes to an hour. But this is beautiful. Alright guys, let me chill out for a little bit, take some photographs. Be back with you in a little bit. Your boy Extreme Catfishing, man. Oh man, your boy is out. Your boy out here in the falls on the Oconee Passage. Couldn't say your boy wasn't here. I'm going to enjoy a little bit of this, y'all. Your boy Extreme Catfishing, man. I'm out.